Astronomers have discovered a massive galaxy that exploded with a force equivalent to 10 billion supernova. This phenomenon, known as a gamma-ray burst, is the largest explosion ever detected in the universe. Imagine a star that's at least 20 times bigger than our Sun collapsing in on itself. As it collapses, the star's gravity becomes so strong that it warps the fabric of space around it. The star's core becomes incredibly hot, eventually causing a massive explosion that sends shockwaves throughout the galaxy. But that's not the strangest part. This explosion occurred 10 billion years ago, and we're just now detecting it. A team of scientists used the Hubble Space Telescope to observe the faint light emitted by the galaxy. They discovered that the galaxy was a massive spiral galaxy with hundreds of billions of stars. The explosion that occurred in this galaxy was so powerful that it created a massive shockwave that spread throughout the universe. This shockwave has been traveling through space for billions of years, eventually reaching us on Earth. Using sophisticated computer simulations, scientists were able to recreate the explosion and understand its effects on the galaxy. The simulation showed that the explosion caused a massive burst of energy that was released into space. This energy was so powerful that it created new stars and planets in the galaxy. But wait, until you hear what comes next, this explosion may have actually helped create the conditions for life on Earth. Scientists believe that the explosion may have triggered the formation of the first stars in the universe. These early stars then went on to create the heavy elements that are essential for life. In fact, scientists estimate that up to 20% of the elements in our own solar system may have been created in this explosion. The discovery of this massive galaxy and its explosion has opened up new avenues of research for scientists. They hope to learn more about the early universe and how life came to be. But that's not all. This explosion may also have created the conditions for the formation of black holes. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Scientists believe that the explosion may have created a massive black hole that's still active today. The discovery of this black hole could help us better understand the behavior of these mysterious objects. But that's still not the end of the story. This explosion may also have created the conditions for the formation of dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up about 27% of the universe, but we know very little about it. Scientists believe that the explosion may have created a region of space where dark matter is concentrated. This could help us better understand the nature of dark matter and how it affects the universe. The discovery of this massive galaxy and its explosion has been a major breakthrough for scientists. It's given us a new understanding of the universe and how life came to be. But we still have much to learn, and that's where you come in. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want to learn more about the early universe and how life came to be? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.